All right, guys. So welcome to this new lesson 7 right now. So now we have our products to go live on JVZoo. We have reached out to affiliates, we have sent them messages, and we've made a launch announcement tagging affiliates we have relationship with already. So what you need to do next is, if you are buoyant enough, if you have the resources, you have the financial capability, you can now go ahead and advertise your launch, your product is coming up soon. You can advertise it. Yes, it's not compulsory, but if you want to get higher chances of getting affiliates on board, then you need to find more ways to get your product, your offer seen, because it's not all affiliates are going to see your offer. When you try to tag as many offers on Facebook, you still need to go ahead and advertise outside Facebook. You try as much as possible to advertise every single place where the affiliates are. So one of them, number one place, is actually on MunchEye. Yes, you can head over to MunchEye and place an advert for your offer. Yes, you can place an advert for your offer. Now, it's this is how it's going to look like. There are many options you can actually use to advertise on MunchEye, but this is the most popular, and I think is the one you should actually go for. And this is the featured advertising. Now this advert, when you advertise, is about, I think it's $50 per day, $50 per day. So once you have your featured offer right here, you can always advertise about maybe 3 days at most, or at least 3 days before your offer goes live. So if you are advertising right here on MunchEye, then you get also you can see all these launches in yellow. It means they are all paying for advertising. You can see these guys are paying for advertising. So once you book a spot to advertise here, you automatically get your featured highlighted in yellow, and you see it makes your offer, your product launch stand out amongst the crowd. You can see there are so much launches going live on a particular day. So when you go to advertise on MunchEye, then you get that special attention, because everyone is going to check. A lot of people are going to check, okay, your offer is going to get that rare attention that every other launches don't get on that particular day. So you can go on and actually go and check the options available for advertising on MunchEye. Let's check out their advertising plans. So you can see, if you want to advertise on MunchEye, then you can be sure of reaching out to thousands. Your offer will be placed to thousands of JV partners. So, and you can see, just listing on MunchEye is it's free, and you get over 1,500 visitors. Head over to MunchEye to check out the next launches coming up, so you can get actually free visitors, free traffic, affiliates checking out on your offer. Now this is the feature launch listing, and it costs $50, just $50 per day. And you can see there's also, for 1 week you can pay, that's about $250 for 1 week slot. So I think it's a very good option, good pricing. So you can go for this option, but I would recommend 3 days. 3 days is okay. 3 days before your product goes live, then you can put up an advert on MunchEye. That's if you are buoyant enough, if you have the financial capacity to actually go on and then make your advertise your offer. But it will be very, very good, because a lot of affiliates will respect your offer and then give attention to your offer. Now this is also they are going to advertise on their Facebook group cover photo for $50. I wouldn't recommend this, because there are a lot of hundreds of JV groups I can actually post to. Then they say a square home page banner. Yes, just like the one I showed you earlier on. It's there. $250 per week. No, it's not necessary. I don't think it's necessary. Then here, a JV list email announcements. Well, I don't know how powerful this is, but I don't think so. Okay, that means, how many emails per email? No, it's not okay. Per email, for 1 email, it's not okay. If it's 3 email for this price, then it's going to be awesome. But 1 email for this kind of amount, does not justify the payment. So the next one you want to do is webinar registration. Do you want them to register for a webinar? Whether you want them to register for webinar, then you don't want or it's not here. So this is for $99 for a webinar evergreen listing. Well, I've not done this, but I don't think that is necessary. The only important one here is the featured listing of $50. So you can just go for 3 days, $150. It should help you to get, you know, big affiliates that can actually send you about 20 to 50 affiliate sales, and you have gotten your return on investment back. So you can see featured listing are also highlighted in yellow. That is when you feature your list on their homepage at the top of the banner, at the top, that the big rectangular listing right here. Yes, this right here, this featured listing right here. Then you also get your launch, you know, highlighted in yellow. It's just as simple as that. So another way you can actually advertise, remember on Munch Eye, you can advertise. The best way to advertise on Munch, your offer on Munch Eye, is to advertise at least 3 days, for 3 days, and 3 days prior to the day your launch, your offer goes live. So that's what you need to do. Now the second option, another option you actually have, is on WarriorPlus. Yes, WarriorPlus, I've seen a lot of top vendors actually advertising on WarriorPlus, and you can as well go there. But the best time to actually launch to advertise on WarriorPlus is you know, when your product has gone live, when your offer has gone live, and then you are getting high conversion. Yes, high conversion. Then in fact you can spend a lot of money on you can spend money on advertising your offer on WarriorPlus. A lot of affiliates always check on the you know, the next offer to promote on the WarriorPlus affiliate offer page, which is right here. So you can see this is a secret email system from Matt Bakak, and you can see it's done over 5,000 unit sales. And you can see another one, Matic new iWatch contest. This is digital page design. So they've done also 2,000 plus unit sales. So it's not wise if your product has not gone live and then you advertise. So you might be wasting a lot of money. So what you need to do is, when your product has gone live and you are getting good conversion rate, maybe from 6% onwards, 7, 8, 9, 10%, then you can spend little money on ads. And the good thing about advertising on WarriorPlus is that their plan is not you can actually pay for your adverts based on how the duration you want. It could be an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, for the rest of the day, 5 hours to the end of the day, or 2 days. You will find a good plan that fits your budget. So you can go ahead and select a very good option and then advertise your offer on WarriorPlus. Remember, on Munch Eye, you need to advertise at least 3 days before 3 days, right from the countdown, let me say 72 hours before your product goes live. So you place your adverts on Munch Eye 3 days before, 2 days before, and the day your product goes live. So you get, you know, massive affiliate requests, affiliates jumping to promote your offer. And then on Munch Eye, once your product has gone live, then you can now place an advert for your offer on Munch Eye. So let's not forget the last option, of course, which is free, is Facebook. Yes, it's on Facebook. So I've actually told you earlier on, you need to join JV and affiliates group. Yes, you need to join JV affiliate group, and I've given you the list already. I've given you a free ebook of that, giving you about 30 lists of JV groups you can join. So you should have joined all those groups before before you actually list your product, your JV page on Munch Eye. So now, before this posting to this JV group should start immediately you make your launch announcements. Yes, so you begin to post until your product live, and even on the day your product goes live, you still continue to post. Now here is a sample of what I'm trying to say. You can see this is a JV launch notification group. So you can see, and if you check through, you're going to see top vendors, big affiliates, big launchers, you know, still posting to groups. In fact, I've seen a lot of vendors that make a lot of sales, 5,000 unit sales, 3,000 unit sales, and they still promote into all this group. And this group, and it's free. And in fact, you still get attention of a lot of affiliates just posting to this Facebook group. So what you need to do is, you should structure, maybe it's going to be, if you have now, I think these are about 30 lists of JV and affiliates group you can actually post to. So you can post about, let's say, if you, a week before launch, 7 divided by 30 should be about 4. Yes, let's say 4. So you should be posting to free launch updates, your launch notification, the product is going live. You post in the morning afternoon, and the night. The next day, morning, afternoon, night. The next day, morning, afternoon, night, until a lot of affiliates, thousands of affiliates would have known about your product, that your product is actually going live. So if you do that and then you complement that with your launch updates, tagging affiliates, reaching out to affiliates, if you can dedicate time and then you commit yourself to it and then you actually do it and then you try as much as possible affiliates to come in, then even if it's just one affiliate you get in or two affiliates, two big affiliates, who just jump on your launch, you can be sure of making, good profits or making over 100 unit sales. And if you can get over 100 unit sales, then it's actually a big start for you to that you can always count on and push on and then push on and then drive on for more success. So that's all about that in this lesson, in this section, how to advertise and promote your launch offer. Your launch offer. You make use of Munch Eye. 3 days before your product goes live, you place an advert on Munch Eye. It's not compulsory, but you can do that if you have $150 to spare. And then number 2 is on WarriorPlus. Yes, you can also advertise on WarriorPlus. Advertise on WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus is a very good. Okay, remember, it's your product needs to have gone live, because there was a time I advertised on WarriorPlus and there was no affiliate that signed up because my product had not gone live, so no one could actually say if it was going to convert or not. So don't make that mistake. Once your product goes live and it's getting conversion, then you can now spend to advertise on WarriorPlus. Now, the most important is you advertising to JV groups. Yes, post every single day before your product goes live, before your offer goes live. You post, if it's 2, 3 Facebook groups or 4 JV affiliates groups, you post in there. Let affiliates know your product is going live. Let them know that, okay, there is a product, that this offer is going live. So they, and doing that, they also know that it is you who owns the product. As you can see, this is a big, okay, this is nothing. I saw one what's his name? Sean Ogundele and Jason Fulton. So those are 2 big launchers. You can see Jason Fulton is a big guy launcher, and you can see his offer being advertised. Though he's been he actually hired an affiliate, let me say JV partner, to do all the posting stuff. So you can see, if top vendors can be doing this, you also should go ahead and use all these Facebook groups are giving you. Use it. I'm telling you, you're going to get results. In fact, you can, if it's just even a single affiliate, a very big affiliate who jump on your offer, then you can get surprise conversion on your offer. So that's all about that on promoting and advertising your launch offer to the public before your offer goes live. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next lesson as we conclude this interesting and engaging upsell on how to make 1,000 times magical profits with products launches on the WarriorPlus. So I'm going to see you in the next video.